torque kicks in, boys. I just love how the bike sounds when you're riding through New York City. It's just really something special, man. The way it sounds, the way it rumbles. Oh my God. All right, so it looks like New York City's burning down, people, but it's not. What's good? Welcome to a New York City video, boys. Very excited. I know I've gotten some feedback about the wind noise. I am closing the windshield, guys. I just like the feel and the sensation of the air in my face. So heads up, I am closing it, so it's gonna sound a lot better, a lot cleaner. Whew. It is traffic day, boys. As you guys know, there's this major fire out in Canada, and it's slowly making its way towards here in New York City. But we're not gonna stick on that too much, guys. Just a quick heads up, we are running a 30,000 subscriber giveaway, boys. So make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and comment sub. That way I know you entered into it. Once I hit 30,000, I'm gonna give some goodies away. Alright, I think I'm gonna open it because when we're moving in like heavy traffic, I don't mind like closing it, but when we're at a standstill through the city like this, guys, I have to open it to get some air in here, boys. Have to. The heat's too damn hot. I just love how the bike sounds when you're riding through New York City. It's just really something special, man. The way it sounds, the way it rumbles. Oh my God. Oh, the way that torque kicks in, boys. Oh, man. Alright, got some ways to go down, so we're gonna make this fun. There are cops behind me, though. Oh, they're turning. They're turning. Let's see where the highway takes me so I can get back home. So many cars out, man. People wonder what it's like to ride through New York City, man. This is what it's like. The ideal situation is for you to kind of pick and choose best time to kind of ride and best time to kind of go out. And have a fast bike, really. Have a bike that clears up quite a bit of potholes and everything else. That seems to be the winning formula, at least for me. Oh, there's a speed camera. Okay. You're gonna tone that down, boys. Alright. I want to know where are these cameras placed, to be honest. Let's see if we... Oh, we haven't passed it yet. Okay. That's a little bit of ways off. There we go. She needs a wash, boys. She needs a wash. So, on a good note, my wife named the bike. A really good name, which I thought, I told her I needed something snippy. She said Ray, and Ray it is, guys. Meet Ray, baby. For those of you who are in the know, you'll know Ray is a main character from anime. That's called Evangelion. Oh wow, look at this guy's ass is out. Very nice. Oh, he's homeless. Quality of women in New York City has really fallen into the shitbox, guys. Not really good one, not really any good ones. There used to be some nice lookers, at least while we ride and kind of go through things, but now I suggest you boys go to the south. Oh shit, it's not for a left. There you go. Really fall into shit, guys. I was telling my wife there was a point in time through New York there was a point in time in New York City, guys, you would be out in New York and seeing extremely out of this world talent, and now it's like not so much, guys. It's really strange. Wow, that car is very matte black. Really matte black. I haven't seen that before. That's like really deep dark black. And every girl in New York, they're all wearing yoga pants. They're all wearing sweatpants, but none of them works out. None of them are fit. None of them are anything. It's just like weird. Let's play catch up with this guy. Might as well see what we can do in terms of reaching this guy. Oh, he is slicing and dicing. If he could do some grounds. Oh, I am keeping left. I'm not gonna go towards the traffic. Let's get to it, boys. Let's stay left. Oh, that faked me out. Either way, I would have been like maybe stuck behind them. It's all good. we under the bridge here, guys, might as well say a big shout out to all the patrons. Truly appreciate you guys. Truly appreciate the support. If you guys don't know, that's how the channel self-sustains. So become a patron and help guide where the channel goes and how it's produced.